What's up guys, I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna make a trap beat using Native Instrument Cloud Supply plugin. And I think this is a very cool plugin and it sounds really good and it inspires me right away to come up with some melodies and stuff. So I want to show you guys how I make this beat. And also, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and share this video to all your friends and smash that like button as well. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, I have this Cloud Supply already loaded up here, and this is an amazing plugin. I really enjoyed playing around with this, and when I launched this Cloud Supply, I think this is the default sound that you get. I'm not sure I don't even remember if I changed anything, but when I launched this and I was playing around with the keys, I found that it inspires me right away. So the first melody that I was playing was this. So very basic, simple melody. Then I add halftime. I didn't change much, and I changed the fade in a little bit and fade out. And then the mix I set to 83%, and smooth I turn it off, and I roll this band up to 13.4 kilohertz. And now it sounds like this. And then I add on another melody, which is let me turn off the halftime again. So this was the original melody before I add halftime. Very simple melody, but when I add this halftime plugin, Cloud Supply is really one of the best plugins for trap beats. Actually, I used two instances of Cloud Supply for this track. So another track actually used the sequencer feature in Cloud Supply. I set the root key to B because the song is in B minor, and then the scale to minor. I changed the rate to quarter note and add 16% of swing, and just the velocity here and also the pitch. I just press one note, and that one note basically play the whole melody. And it keeps repeating. I add halftime, but I didn't do much here. I just fade out. The fade out I set to 1/16 note, and I turn off the smooth. And for the mix I set to 46%, and the bar I set to loop 1 bar, and now it sounds like this. Yeah. Sounds really dope, right? And then I add kick. Actually, all the drum sounds that I use in this beat is the stock Cubase sound, right? So yep, so that's the kick sound. And then I add snare. Very simple rhythm. And then I add open hi-hat. And then I add this hi-hat rolls. So that's one hi-hat pattern, that's for the intro. And for the verse, it's very simple pattern. And then for the chorus, of course, the same hi-hat pattern which I use for the intro. And I add these reverse cymbals here. Yeah, let's check out the 808. That's it. And it's repeating until the end. Right, let's hear the whole track. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this beat. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you won't miss my next video. And also smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright? Thank you for watching.